Over the years, I've helped clients generate more than $25 million in revenue through AI automation. But when I first started using n8n, I made every mistake possible. And if you're thinking about learning n8n this year, this video could save you months of wasted time, because learning it the wrong way can feel impossible. Most people quit by week 2, not because n8n is hard, but because they were taught wrong. So today, I will share 5 things I wish I knew before starting n8n, plus real examples from client automation, including one that generated over $1 million for a single client. Let's start with lesson number 1. When I first started, I binge watched every n8n tutorials I could find. They all said the same thing: connect Slack, connect Gmail, boom, automation done. Then I got my first client. They wanted a simple lead follow-up workflow. I quoted a week's work. And 3 weeks later, I was still up at 2 a.m. staring at my screen trying to figure out why half the data just wouldn't map properly. Everything works perfectly in testing, but when I run my workflow end to end, hundreds of leads flow through, errors starts to pop up everywhere. Duplicated records, failed API calls, weird formatting issues, a total nightmare. That's when I realized those tutorials show me perfect scenarios. They don't show you what happens when your workflow runs 1,000 times in production. That's where things start to really break. So my first piece of advice is to stop copying tutorials and start to break things on purpose. Because when you fix your own mess, that's when you actually start to understand n8n. Week 1 is the honeymoon phase. You're connecting nodes, you got a Slack message flying, and you're like, damn, I'm the automation genius. Then week 2 hits, and suddenly half your nodes are in red and your HTTP request node starts to fail. And you have no idea why your data looks like a crime scene. You build the same workflow twice, maybe 3 times, and that's completely normal. That's actually where the learning happens. I still remember one of my first big projects. It was a Shopify integration to Google Sheet with a Slack automation. It looked simple until 500 plus orders came in and the whole system crashed, because I did not handle pagination. That one single bug taught me more about n8n than 10 tutorials combined. If you're in week 2 right now and everything's breaking, don't quit. You're right where you are supposed to be. This one's gonna hurt a bit, especially if you're just getting started. I used to think the more complex my workflow looked, the more skillful I was. Like, oh look, I got 330 nodes, I'm a genius. But here's the truth, my most profitable workflow, the one that made my client over $1 million plus, only have 5 nodes. 5. It pulled purchase data from Shopify, compare it with ad spend, and send a Slack message into a channel with the profit margin value. And that was it. So don't get obsessed with big, flashy workflow. Nobody cares about how many nodes you've used in your automation. All they care about is what problem you have helped solve. The simplest automation that actually move money will always beat the complex ones that look cool on LinkedIn. At one point, I realized I wasn't learning anymore. I was collecting. I had 30 saved YouTube videos, 20 bookmarks on X, and 0 workflow that's completed. That's what I call the tutorial addiction. You think you're being productive because you're learning, but in reality, you are procrastinating. You don't learn n8n by watching, you learn it by doing. So here's my challenge. Close all your tutorials for 1 week. Pick one simple workflow like pulling new leads from Facebook, reformatting them into structured data and sending them back into a Google Sheet. This time round, don't copy. Build it from scratch. You will fail a few times, but that's good because that's exactly how you will start to understand how n8n handles data. My real turning point came when I stopped asking, how do I learn n8n? And I started asking instead, how can I automate a $5,000 a month problem? That mindset changes everything. For example, one client had a team manually updating ad spend every day into a Google spreadsheet. We come in, we automate the whole entire process where Google Ads starts to flow in the BigQuery and have daily Slack trigger with no more human intervention. We save them 40 plus hours a month and over $5,000 in costs. And that's when I realized you don't need to know every single node within n8n. You just need to know enough to solve one valuable problem. Every workflow I've built since then has started with that one question. What's the most expensive manual process I can help eliminate today? That's how I learned n8n 10x faster, and it's how I've helped my clients generate over $25 million as a result. Look, if you're serious about learning n8n, expect things to break. It's part of the game. Keep it simple, keep breaking stuff, and solve real problems. No fake tutorials. If this video helped you, hit the like button so more people can see. And subscribe if you want no fluff videos on automation, AI flows, and build smarter systems. And if you want to skip the trial and error, join our AI Automation Hub. That's where I share all plug and play, n8n workflows, live breakdowns, and full system you can literally copy into your business. The link is down in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.